I'm currently studying the MA in Philosophy and Artificial Intelligence here at NCH. It really sits at the intersection of ethical implications, governance and policy, and asks both these questions on the philosophical side and the data science side. The faculty is a wide range of philosophers, political scientists, as well as data scientists. And whether the course is data and AI ethics, where we focus on autonomous war systems and their implications, or mind and machine, where we discuss the symbiotic relationship between neural networks and other networks. It seems to cover exactly what I was looking for when I came to London. I hope to be an AI ethicist someday, and while searching for programs in this area, it was very hard to find something at this intersection. I was able to find applied ethics, which was of interest. I was considering law programs because policy governance in AI is lacking, to say the least. But this program is unique in its nature of interdisciplinary study. I found a great community here, both in my peers and also in the faculty. There's a lot of study space, but there's also a lot of places to convene. And we're right by London Tower Bridge, which, to say the least, my parents were excited about when they came to visit. I think the beautiful thing about philosophy and why I've pursued it both in my undergrad and my master's is its ability to answer any question with 10 answers. Whether you're going from a Kantian perspective or Aristotelian, you can really show up both in consulting, in business, in entrepreneurship. It really opens your mind to question what's capable, both theoretical and applied. And I guess that's where the AI side of this degree comes in. I would like to apply my philosophical views in the areas of artificial intelligence, and that's what this degree has allowed me to do, both in class and actually in practice, attending colloquiums and conferences and workshops, aside from the one-on-one tutorials that they have here.